Submagic has recently launched a feature to add movie B-rolls into our videos, and in this video, we will see how to use this feature, so let's get started. Click on the first link given in this video's description and log in into your Submagic account. You will be able to see your old projects. You can either upload a new video or just open any existing project. I will open an existing project. Click here on B-rolls. Here I can see the B-rolls added in the past. I will delete it. Click on the plus icon and click on this video area. On the top, click on Movies. You can see that Submagic has taken a keyword from our video and already found some movie B-rolls. You can search for B-rolls using the movie title, actors, characters, or transcript. Let's try searching by title. I will enter Avengers. Now, click on the B-rolls that you want to use. You will see a preview.
You took my girl. Wait, who are you? We're the Avengers, man.
Scroll below and click Apply. It will take some time to upload the file. Again, scroll below and click Apply. You can see that our movie B-roll has been successfully added. Now, if you want to get a 50% discount in Submagic, click here on Export and click here on Upgrade. Here make sure you have selected yearly to get a 40% discount. Select a plan of your choice and you will be redirected to the payment page. Here you will find the option to add a promotion code. Type WB Explainer and click Apply. You can see that we have received a 10% discount, making it a total of 50% discount with the previous 40%. You can now enter the remaining details on the right and complete your payment. If you want a detailed video on how to use Submagic, then you can watch this video right here. If you like this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such useful AI-related videos. Thanks for watching.